It's a great day for hockey cards, and today we're going to take a look at 2020-2021 SP Authentic. A one autograph future watch rookie per box. This will be our second box. Before we get into that, we're giving away a box of 2021 Upper Deck Series 1. Check out the details in the description below to learn how you can enter and win that. SP Authentic. A lot of people really look forward to this product every year. It's not one of my favorites, but I don't dislike it. It's really all about hitting those good future watch autos if you're looking for value. You know, you like to make sure you can sell everything you buy for more than you paid for it. But if you don't hit one of the big rookies, you are not doing that with this product. But let's get right into it. We're going to get 5 cards per pack, 18 packs per box. Kicking things off with the Rat, Mika Zibanejad. We've got a Retro Shesterkin, Jonathan Duran, and Sebastian Aho. I really do like those retro parallels they put in here. They also have the limited red parallels, which, meh, those could be replaced by something else, in my opinion. Joe Pavelski, Mitch Marner. Oh, we got our first future watch auto. It's Alexander Alexiev, the Washington Capitals. Detailed scribble there. Patrick Kane and Nico Hischier. This product is super expensive this year. It's going for around $300 a box, which is astronomically high. Alexander Barkov. We got Matt Tkachuk. We've got Dominic Kubalik, retro. Hubie Doobie Dooberdo, and Ryan Suter. Feels like we got a decoy in this one. Cale Makar, Victor Hedman. There's an SP Top Performer, Brett Hull. I don't think I pulled one of these out of our last box. That's cool. I like that. Pekka Rinne and Sid the Adult. Got another decoy in here. Jack Eichel, Nick Schmaltz. And we've got a Celebrated Moments. Quinn Hughes. He helped the Pacific Division win the All-Star game. I really like the black version of those jerseys. Never got one, though. Anze Kopitar and Nikita Kucherov. The All-Star jersey is what I'm talking about, not the Canucks jersey. But there's nothing wrong with the Canucks jersey, but I really like that All-Star jersey. Teuvo Teravainen, Yanni Gord. Oh, look at that. That's awesome. We got an Austin Matthews sign of the times. That's tremendous. Really digging that. Boom. Man, I don't know that I've ever pulled a Matthews auto. Quinn Hughes and Brady Tkachuk. I don't think I ever have. So that's pretty cool. I like that. Just sit that off to the side. Man, that's a good one to pull. That's honestly better than most of the future watches you're going to get. Mark Stone, Travis Konechny. This is a limited red of Braden Shen, Thomas Hertl, and Andrei Vasilevsky. Yeah, these like color swap parallels, just not a big fan of. Like, I really like the retro set they put in here. Like, if they just do a whole parallel set like that, that'd be enough for me. Brendan Gallagher, Johnny Whitehall, Nick Schmaltz, which is also a red parallel, Zach Parise, and Sean Monahan. Matt Zuccarello, Brian Nugent Hopkins, Dominic Kubalik, Dylan Larkin. Guess we only get 4 cards in that pack. Weird. Mark Giordano, Brent Burns. We've got Nick Schmaltz retro, John Tavares, and Roman Josi. Austin Matthews, Connor McDavid, Braden Shen, Josh Bailey, and Colton Parayko. Anders Lee, Keith Yandel. We've got Mika Zibanejad, Steven Stamkos, and Ryan O'Reilly. Seth Jones, Jack Hughes. We've got a celebrated moments with Ovechkin scoring his 700th goal. That guy's a goal-scoring machine for sure. Matt Murray, Miro Heiskanen. Seen a lot of consternation over the Leafs trading for Matt Murray. I hope he turns it around. I hope he plays well for them. I like the guy. Igor Shesterkin, Eric Stahl. We've got a true leader, Connor McDavid. Dylan Strome and Pasta. Martin Jones, Kyle Connor. We've got this is Austin Matthews box. We got a Spectrum FX, Austin Matthews. John Klingberg, Zach Werenski. Those cards, if you don't know, they have a little scratch-off thing on the back. If you scratch it off and submit the code to Upper Deck and complete the set, you can get certain prizes. But they're probably pretty close to all being claimed at this point. This product's been out for a while now. Dougie Hamilton, Anthony Mantha. Celebrated moments with Kirill Kaprizov, scoring an overtime winner in his NHL debut. Max Pacioretty, and there's Ovi. Dominic Kubalik, Carter Hart, the true leader of Roman Josi. Jiggity Jake Guentzel, and Tyson Barrie. Last pack. Nick Suzuki, Andrei Svechnikov, and we've got a Future Watch Spectrum FX, level 1 of Joel Hofer? Yeah, Hofer. Braden Point, and JVR. So there you have it. Pretty happy with that box of SP Authentic. Let me know what you think of the break in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.